Have you ever wondered about the various career paths in the aviation industry? Well, let's start with one of the most exhilarating ones: pilots. Pilots are the backbone of the aviation industry. They are the ones who literally and figuratively take us to new heights. The life of a pilot is far from ordinary. It involves rigorous training, mastering complex aircraft systems, understanding the nuances of weather, and navigating through the vast skies. There are different types of pilots: commercial pilots who transport passengers around the globe, military pilots who serve their country, and private pilots who fly for leisure or business. Each path has its own unique challenges and rewards. Pilots not only need to be physically fit, but also mentally sharp. They hold a great responsibility, as the safety of hundreds of passengers rests in their hands. Indeed, becoming a pilot is a high-flying adventure, requiring skill, bravery, and a love of the sky. Now, have you ever considered who designs and maintains these magnificent flying machines? These are the aerospace engineers, the unsung heroes who sketch the blueprints of the sky. This field is an intriguing blend of science and creativity, where the principles of physics and mathematics are applied to design, construct, and maintain aircraft and spacecraft. Aerospace engineering is not just about crunching numbers and applying theories, it's about bringing those designs to life. Imagine the satisfaction of seeing a plane you designed soaring into the sky, or a spacecraft you helped build exploring the mysteries of the universe. And let's not forget the thrill of problem solving. When challenges arise, it's the aerospace engineer's job to find solutions, to ensure that these machines can safely defy gravity. With a keen sense of innovation, an aptitude for complex calculations, and a passion for problem solving, aerospace engineers are the architects of our journeys beyond the horizon. Aerospace engineers, the architects of the sky, truly make flying possible. Ever wondered who guides these machines safely in the busy skies? The answer is air traffic controllers. These professionals are the invisible conductors of the aviation symphony, ensuring the harmonious flow of air traffic. Imagine a vast unseen highway in the sky, teeming with aircraft. It's the air traffic controllers who choreograph this intricate dance, guiding each plane from takeoff to landing. Their job is a delicate balance of safety and efficiency. Air traffic controllers are like chess players, always thinking several moves ahead. They need acute concentration, quick decision-making skills, and the ability to work under pressure. Every day, they handle thousands of flights, ensuring each one reaches its destination safely. Their work is not just about guiding aircraft. It's about managing a complex system of information, technology, and human factors. It's about making critical decisions that affect thousands of lives. Air traffic controllers, the invisible guides, ensure every journey ends safely. But who ensures everything runs smoothly on the ground? Right, it's the aviation managers. These professionals are the unseen heroes, overseeing everything from operations to compliance with regulations and staff management. Their role is pivotal to the seamless functioning of an airport. Equipped with leadership skills and a comprehensive understanding of the aviation industry, they work behind the scenes to ensure your flight is not just on time, but also safe and comfortable. Aviation managers, the backstage heroes, keep our airports running efficiently. So there you have it, 4 fascinating careers in the aviation industry. We've soared with pilots, crafted with aerospace engineers, guided with air traffic controllers, and strategized with aviation managers. Each role, a unique journey with its own challenges and rewards. Whether you're navigating the skies, designing future aircraft, ensuring safe flights, or managing vast operations, you're part of a dynamic, ever-evolving industry. Remember, the sky's the limit in the aviation industry. This is Aeronautical World signing off until our next adventure.